justice and steel. Born in fists, raised in pain. Brother wore blue, I wore the chain. Voices hum in the back of my skull, telling me slice when the world gets dull. Juvenile nights in a cell too tight, concrete dreams in a broken fight. Yellow Jack bar gave me my shot. Reapers nod, now I carve what's not. Switchblade justice, cut for the weak. Grinning in the dark when the shadows speak. Pop with a badge, I roam the street. Broken soul burn with a flame so deep. 22 out, I was lost, no plan. Voices scream louder than the lawman can. One reaper grin, one whiskey pour. Said fight for the helpless, that's what it's for. So I proud with the ghost and a grin too wide. Switchblade flash in the devil's side. Don't call me crazy, don't call me tame. I'm the shadow's blade with a reaper's name. Switchblade justice, cut for the weak. Grinning in the dark when the shadows speak. Pop with a badge, I roam the street. Broken soul burn with a flame so deep. Jinx, slice, jinx, fight, jinx, save them, make it right. You hear it too? Nah, just me. Drag strip sins where the races bleed. I stitch the wounds, but I plant that seed. Courthouse blind, but I cut that veil. I'm the broken truth when the system fail. Yellow Jack light where my heart still hums. Reaper shadows when the outlaw comes. Brother wear blue, but he'll never see that the ghost in the alleys, the ghost is me. Switchblade justice, cut for the weak. Grinning in the dark when the shadows speak. Bob wear the badge, I roam the street. Broken soul burn with a flame so deep. I bleed for the weak, I cut for the truth, and I'll never stop.